Bonk. So we've dropped anchor a little bit upstream from our campsite. I've got one anchor in front of me. I'm tied off to Pete. Pete's tied off to Adam, and Adam's got an anchor out the back. So we're kind of set in place because the current is sort of pushing us, or the tide or whatever it is, it's pushing us in and out. And we've got a few prawns to stick on the hooks.
You see how you can lock yourself off like this?
And we're going to have a bit of a go, just fishing in the snags here in the banks.
Yeah.
See if we can get a couple of size bream, and that'll go towards dinner tonight, so it should be good. A couple of hours here. You can see a bit of weather pushing in, so hopefully we get back before it starts raining. But yeah, plan is get a couple of bream, go back, light a fire, cook some dinner. Good times.
Always got to keep it bent.
I feel like when I said to you, Pete, what's the best bait, and you told me river prawns, and now I'm the only person fishing with river prawns.
And I've got coral prawn.
And I'm also the only person not catching fish in the same spot.
Here we go, baby. Yeah, you're the decoy. You still have part of this team.
I'm the burley. Not a bad haul in the end, though.
Yeah, that's a stonk. That one there, that's a stonk.
Yeah, it's massive. And unfortunately, I can't take credit for any of those. I only caught 2 the whole time, and they're both undersized.
So what do? You roll them in a bit of flour or something, or what do you do?
Just eggs and panko, mate.
Yeah. There's not much out of fly fish and fillets.
Nah, there isn't. Nah, not with bream, eh? As soon as you get the bones out.
Better lift the game tomorrow, eh?
No,
I think you did all right, mate.
All right.
Pretty much.
Just recording?
Yeah.
I'll just move this over here. Ay, I'm sorry.
What a cracking afternoon. Just gonna let that fire burn down for a little bit, and then we'll get into dinner. I'm gonna do fish tacos. So use those bream that we caught this afternoon. When I say we, I mean Adam and Pete. I didn't catch any of them, unfortunately. But I'll crumb them up in panko, and I've got some nice little condiments to go into some tacos. Should be good. But I'll cook that on the fire, so I need some coals. So we'll let this burn down a bit longer. Righto, my nose is running because I've just tried some of Adam's. Is it your brother-in-law, Adam?
Yeah, mate.
What's it called? Decky's hot sauce. And it's giving me the hiccups. It was hot.
Decky's not doors.
It's beautiful.
Hot doors.
Chuck us a bottle, man. Actually, we might stick this on the fish tacos. Decky's hot sauce. It's got his face on it. That's pretty cool. We might stick that on. Anyway, we're doing fish tacos. So, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I learnt this technique from one of Tiff's girlfriends, Jess. She does something pretty cool. Hey, Pete.
Yeah, mate.
Do you mind doing me a favour?
Yeah, go on.
Sorry, bro.
Easy.
In that camp oven canvas bag, there should be a bowl in there. Yeah. Do you mind grabbing that for me? So I'm going to start with one of the condiments that's going on it, and it's going to be avocado. Pretty much like half avocado, half feta, with a little bit of lime juice and a little bit of cracked pepper, and that's sort of going to be the sauce in the bottom.
Very good.
What's that?
What type of knife is that?
That's a wild shearing knife.
Yeah.
Actually, people keep asking me about these. I'm just testing them for now, guys. I haven't got them on the shop yet, but they will be once I've tested it for a while and I'm happy with it. So I'll put posts out on social media and YouTube and stuff when it's up for sale. Righto, so I've got 2 avocados in there. I'm going to go a whole block of crumbly feta.
Avocado tree grows there.
I hope so. Oh, it's not that crumbly actually. I'll cut that up. I want a really crumbly feta, so it sort of mixes up in there. Rightio, squeeze of lime juice in there too. And some salt and pepper. Yeah, so like I said, if you use a crumbly feta, it works out a little bit better. It all sort of mixes in smoothly. This will be alright. Not ideal, but we'll work with it. So this goes in the bottom of the fish taco, and the crumbed fish goes on top. It'll be panko crumbs, so I'll do that shortly. And then on top of that, a little bit of sliced red onion, which I'll get onto now. Rightio, so that's pretty much the condiments done. Just got to sort out getting this fish ready. So this is the fish that Adam and Pete caught. I didn't catch any of it, unfortunately, this time. Oh, that's a bloody prawn head. That was bait.
Sorry, who caught it?
Adam and Pete, I said that. I did. You just wanted to hear it twice, didn't you?
Yeah, exactly.
Whoops. Bit of coriander there as well, I forgot about. That'll go on top. Right, before we crumb the fish, get this pan ready. So we'll get this, we're going to need more oil on that. Get this fish cooking, preheat the oil first. Panko breadcrumbs. That lovely fresh bream with a bit of egg wash on it. Right. Bit of Kewpie, go on top. Bit of crunch chili. Get these wraps ready. Rightio, cook this fish off. We'll heat them up. Ah!
Oh, the asbestos fingers over here.
Rightio, boys, you want to come get into one?
No.
Alrighty, boys. Grab a tortilla. Put some
God, isn't it cool how he says tortilla?
tortilla.
Tortilla.
Put some of that avo feta in the bottom of it.
You can also wear it as a hat.
Actually, where'd that salt and pepper go?
What are you saying, mate?
Put some of that in the bottom of your wrap. And then grab some fish, bro. Oh, you need some cheese too, eh? You want cheese?
No, mate. I don't actually.
Alright.
I like it.
Yeah.
I want to taste the fish more than anything.
Alright, get some red onion on there.
Red
Are
onion?
you having some crunch chili?
Oh, for sure.
Alright, need that. Are you having Kewpie? Or are you going to go mango hot sauce?
I'm gonna go mango.
Yeah, I might go both, eh? Just gonna
Do
a
it,
big one.
mate.
A
Do
big
it.
one. Thanks, Cam. Bloody
worries.
beautiful, mate.
No stress at
Good
all.
feed, man.
No stress.
How was it?
Good.
Done well, mate.
Did you want Kewpie as well or nah?
I might just...
Just a squirt?
Yeah, please.
Could open it. Do your
Oh,
thing.
it done ya. It done ya.
Bit of devil's lettuce.
Bit of curry. Bit of dishwasher liquid, I reckon. Cheers, mate. Beautiful.
Wow.
And a squeeze of lime, mate.
Yep. And then bash that down your neck.
All right, mate. Going for it.
do you reckon, Petey? Edible?
Oh. Don't like that the camera's watching me because I have to sort of try and eat sensible.
Get it in your gob.
That's, mate, that's mint.
Good.
There's a hell of a bite because I put both in.
Yeah.
That fish is just a winner, dude.
Oh,
like,
good.
honestly.
That's your fish, so it should be.
Thanks, bro. You know what pisses me off a little bit?
What?
How much crunch chili goes with everything.
I know. It is good.
You ever tried it on ice cream?
No, but I have heard that they're...
How interesting would
I've
that
heard
be, eh?
people are doing it.
Really?
Yeah, 100%, man. Interesting you say that, because I have heard people are doing it.
Cam, that's beautiful, mate.
Here we
It
go.
truly is.
What do you reckon, Anna?
Wow.
All right.
Yeah,
Do you like fish with your coriander?
Oh, coriander.
That is yum.
The coriander's good. Like,
I like coriander.
I'm very hot and cold with it.
It's not for everyone, eh? And it doesn't go
man.
with every dish, but it goes well with lime and fish.
Nah, yum.
Yeah, yeah.
Yum.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's
Yum.
spot on, man.
That is-
What have you got in that? You got the crunch chili and the deckies?
Yeah, I've got deckies in there.
I didn't go
And a
deckies.
bit of crumb.
Go another one, Pete.
Okay. If I have to. That's spot on,
That's
mate.
pretty good, eh?
Honestly, yeah, you got to be happy with that, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bit of deckies mango.
Mm.
Whose idea
Oh,
was
dude.
the feta, bud?
It is good. Jess,
Nice.
mates with Tiff.
Nice.
Doing a good job,
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah, spot on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go
That
crunch chili
is
at the
like
bottom.
almost like a pesto.
It's beautiful, eh?
Yum. Yum.
Yeah, it is,
yum.
isn't it? Spot on.
That is yum.
And I like how you've kept them bite size.
Mm.
And is there any better way to have it like this? Like, look at that. It's the way I've always.
Good spread, I reckon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
spot on, mate.
It's like a mix feed. Just go for it.
Yeah, yeah. I like it that way.
Mm.
Red onion.
Yep. Yum.
Thank you, Cam.
Thank
Bloody
you.
magic, mate.
Thanks for that, lads.
Oh man.
Cam, on
That
my
is
life,
good
that's,
though, eh?
they're the best fish tacos I've ever had.
Rightio, squeeze of...
He just squeezed the lime. And did you hear his fart?
No! At the same time,
Edit that. That would be beautiful.
hopefully my mic has picked that up.
It will.